Imagine a world where a tube of toothpaste holds the key to the dazzle and shine of your precious jewelry. Today we're diving into the heart of this unexpected solution. Welcome to the fascinating world of the toothpaste hack. This simple yet effective method begins with gathering the essentials. Find a small bowl, a soft toothbrush, a piece of cloth, warm water, and of course, a tube of toothpaste. A gentle, non-gel, non-whitening toothpaste works best for this process. Once your supplies are ready, squeeze a small amount of toothpaste into the bowl, add a few drops of warm water, and stir until you have a smooth paste. Now, pick up your piece of jewelry and dip the toothbrush into the toothpaste mixture. Gently scrub the surface of the jewelry, paying special attention to any crevices or detailed areas. Following the scrub, rinse the jewelry under warm water, ensuring all the toothpaste is washed away. Now, take the cloth and gently pat the jewelry dry. Be careful not to rub too hard, as this could potentially scratch the surface of the jewelry. Behold the magic of toothpaste. Your jewelry piece now sparkles with a renewed brilliance, its luster revived. The dullness has been replaced with a gleam that catches the eye, all thanks to your humble tube of toothpaste. So next time your precious jewelry appears lackluster, remember, you hold the power to restore its shine right there in your bathroom cabinet. As always, test a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure the toothpaste does not discolor or damage your specific piece of jewelry. This concludes our journey through the toothpaste hack. If you found this tip valuable, show some love with a thumbs up. Have a fantastic hack up your sleeve. We're all ears, leave it in the comments below. On that sparkling note, we bid you farewell. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tips and tricks. Until next time, stay dazzling.